can't sleep. What to do when you can't sleep. If you're one of the millions of people in the United States who suffer from insomnia, you may discover that your mind is racing and your body is tossing and turning when you just want to sleep. You may fall asleep in a matter of minutes if you use the appropriate technique. Relaxation is one of the secrets to falling asleep easily. According to research, the relaxation response is a physiological process that benefits both the mind and the body. The relaxation response can help you sleep more peacefully by lowering tension and worry. Our step-by-step instructions include tried-and-true relaxation techniques that can help with insomnia and other sleep issues. Experts highlight that mastering these strategies takes time, but that practice pays off. Better yet, these strategies are adaptable, allowing you to tweak them over time to make them work for you. However, it has only been in the last several decades that contemplative methods for relaxing have become the subject of scientific research, which has identified 5 critical factors for promoting the relaxation response. First, there is a calm atmosphere. Quiet might not necessarily imply full silence. Relaxing music or sounds might help you relax. Noises or sounds that are loud or irritating should be avoided. Second, a focal point of interest. You can employ a word, phrase, mantra, breathing pattern, or mental image to focus your attention and distract you from external issues. Third, a nonchalant attitude. Accepting that your mind will wander permits you to stay at peace and return your attention to the topic of your attention. Fourth, this is a relaxing position. It's crucial to find a comfortable area to unwind. Naturally, the recommended position for falling asleep is reclining in bed. Fifth, a mattress that is comfy. Finding the right mattress for your sleeping position and body type might make all the difference in getting a good night's sleep. All of the approaches listed below can help you achieve these fundamental characteristics so you can fall asleep peacefully. Keeping these fundamentals in mind allows you to tailor these techniques to your preferences. Try listening to one of our deep healing sleep music videos for stress relief. They can assist you in falling asleep fast.